You know how Apple loves to control every tiny thing about its products? Well, it looks like they're about to take that obsession to the next level, because the iPhone 18 Pro might finally drop Qualcomm modems completely and use Apple's own chip for 5G. Yeah, that's right. Apple's reportedly developing its own in-house modem called the C2. And if rumors are true, this could debut in the iPhone 18 Pro lineup when it drops in 2026. That's a huge deal because it means Apple's ready to cut ties with Qualcomm, the company that's been powering cellular connectivity in iPhones for years. Now, on paper, this makes perfect sense. Apple loves control. They already make their own chipsets, GPUs, even their own camera sensors. Why not handle the modem too? It could help them save costs, optimize performance, and have complete freedom to fine-tune how 5G integrates into iOS and the A-series chips. But here's the problem. Apple's first attempt, the C1 modem, wasn't exactly a home run. It's already in the iPhone 16e, and while it handles basic connectivity pretty well, it lacks support for mmWave 5G, that super-fast short-range version of 5G that you mainly find in big cities. Basically, it's not pro-level yet. So for the iPhone 18 Pro, Apple's going to need to step it up big time. The C2 modem will need to at least match what Qualcomm's doing right now, or better yet, outperform it. Otherwise, people are going to notice. You can't charge pro prices for mid-tier connectivity, right? Interestingly, this switch isn't going to happen all at once. From what we're hearing, only the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max will get the new C2 modem first, while the regular iPhone 18 might stick with Qualcomm for a bit longer, maybe until 2027. That means, for at least a year or two, Apple will have both Qualcomm and in-house modems coexisting across different models. And yeah, there's still a lot in the air, like the rumored iPhone Air, which may or may not return next year, and the iPhone 17 lineup that'll still be rocking Qualcomm chips. But if Apple pulls this off successfully, we could be witnessing the start of a full-blown modem revolution inside the iPhone lineup. Personally, I think this move is classic Apple. They've been inching toward complete independence for years. They already control the hardware, the software, the ecosystem. And now they want to own the connection itself. It's ambitious, risky, but if anyone can pull it off, it's probably them. Anyway, what do you think? Should Apple go all in with their own modem tech, or should they stick with Qualcomm for reliability? Drop your thoughts down below. I'm curious where you stand on this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.